Hi, it's Dr. Biology here, and this is an A-level biology hack. The little things you can do to make a big difference. This one is on experimental data, so looking at questions that have lots of data, lots of information, and asking whether it has any stats or not. So no stats, quick 1 mark gain. So what I mean by that is you need to look at all the information and you're really looking at these places here. Okay, so can you see any stats questions? And when it says use information, evaluate the effect of these treatments, etc., etc. If there is no stats test, then evaluating, that is definitely a disadvantage or con of the experiment. So therefore here, no statistical tests, so do not know if the changes or differences are significant, or no stats test was used, so we don't know if there's a significant difference. So using the information in figure 3 to answer that question. Here's another example about muscle contraction, and it says use the graph above to evaluate this conclusion in terms of looking at a decrease in pH does cause a decrease in the force of muscle contraction. So again, look at the data. You can see there's no stats tests to see if it is significant. Okay, here's another one. All right, so you've got different groups, figure 1, figure 2, evaluate a student conclusion, and again, no stats tests. So no statistical tests, so you don't know if the differences are significant. And last one here, here's movement of iron ions. What can you conclude about the movement of iron ions in barley plants? Use all the information provided. Well, let's use it. Look, there's no stats test, so no statistical test to show if the difference is significant. The other thing I will say is usually it's a 3-mark question. Obviously, this will get you 1 mark, but obviously you need to do a bit more to get the 3 marks, but it's an instant 1 mark. It's fantastic. There we go. Okay, hope you've found that useful. Please do subscribe to Dr. Biology, and I'll see you soon.